What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol LCID for Lucid Group. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We also talked about it on Sunday over on the main channel. I would point out that we're still at the top end of this range. We're putting in a nice form of consolidation on today's session. That's abundantly clear here on the 30-minute intraday time frame. You can really see how the activity was sideways instead of aggressively down, like our broader marketplace was. So I still do like Lucid as a relative strength type of play. Now, some people have mentioned that there's a lockup expiring soon. If you know anything about that, again, fundamentals are not my bread and butter. So if you know about it, let me know down below in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you and how that may impact the stock price. However, I'm going to stick to what the price action is actually doing right in front of us. So from a technical perspective, what I would watch out for here would be a break up and over 42.62 to take us into this level here at 47. We know that's the level to watch because it was the lower high, the first lower high after the dead cat bounce from, what was that, late November. So that's the first target to the upside on a break. Also, if we think about range doubling rules, that easily takes us to that 47, if not a little bit higher, based on, again, just range doubling rules. Now, the one thing I would caution you about based on the conditions of the marketplace right now would be we could potentially have a look above and fail. So in that instance, you know you're going to stop out of the long trade back underneath, and you could flip short on that crossover back down through the breakout point, knowing that the target should be the bottom end of the range here, closer to 36. So that's the one caveat I will give here. However, from a 30-minute perspective, if we take out the Fibonacci's, come in from the low of the move all the way up to the high, what you'll notice is the 38.2 is now actually very nicely coinciding with 39.65. Literally can't make that stuff up. It's the midpoint of the low range right from in there. But more importantly, all of the consolidation has happened above that 38.2. So that's why I'm feeling more bullish about this setup instead of bearish. So those are my thoughts inside of Lucid. For me, watching for the breakout, we have that first target 47. After that, potentially 49.50, $50 even. That would be the next number to watch out for. Or if you're skeptical, then the only way to get short after the break would be look above, fail, back down underneath 42.62, basically these two-day highs, 43 you could call it even. So, you know, a break back down underneath, if we do not hold, then it's starting to look like a rotation back down towards 36, but I would not be bearish on this stock just because you think it's going to go lower. The chart setup, the technical setup, as of right now, would point to higher. Again, let me know in the comment section if you know more about the lockup, but that will conclude today's video. There we go. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new, let me know down below or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.